food. Pakiulit ng food.
Lumpia kailangan mo.
5 trays to be donated by Kuya Ale.
Okay, 5 trays of pansit.
Saka lumpia.
And lumpia. Woo!
Lumpia.
1,000 lumpia.
Wow! Alam mo,
Kakadagan lang kami sa sato ni St. John. Okay. So, mayroon, tatlo na.
The first to process will be Alex.
Nako ha.
And then after that, give them the apron.
Ang ano
So,
sabihin mo na.
So, yun. Okay, and now, so, yung kay Flor, yung tutuhog na lang tayo. So, Ate Flor, ilan yung last year natin? Di ba kasi ginamit natin yung tira sa ano? Sa fiesta?
300 lang nagamit ng last year.
300, lang yun.
Ito lang going to make 500.
Ito lang yun. So, 500 lang ang target ni
500
Flor na yun.
Kasi may, yung extra ng fiesta, ginamit sa...
Santa Cruzan.
Binili ng Santa Cruzan.
Okay.
So, more or less, yun lahat.
Okay. Yeah. This is what it
So,
is.
yung 300 yun, that was including yung leftover nila ng
Leftover.
fiesta.
From fiesta.
So, kinulang yun.
Kinulang yun.
So, that means, talaga dapat niya mas marami.
Okay, the Nita is also saying that we already have decided that we will be, if we cannot meet, we will tuhog, not tuhog, Nita and also Flor was saying that the fiesta they have, they are going to prepare. We could be with them, and at the same time, we will learn how to tuhog with our
Ang
own.
dali naman magtuhog.
No, 1 week before,
Time consuming.
Magpasensya pa.
No, last year we were able to recruit pagtutuhog pero natapos nilang dalawa.
That's what I'm saying.
Kaya, but we don't have to wait till 6 o'clock. Yeah, kasi may time, ano yung mga
So we have
after work.
Lensa Secursillo.
Sa house ni...
She offered her house if we are willing to
nagtuhog sa house
and help
niya.
us out. And also Portia, I already requested Portia that if the family could help us. Well, last year they were already going to. I said I appreciate that, but we're thankful that Flora and Marin was able to finish the whole 300 pieces. So this year we will have group. We will be we need freezer. That's number 1. Freezer. Who could help with the freezer?
Meron ako maliit na rep na freezer. Rep na freezer. Maliit lang, ganun.
Ganun naman talaga yung
Rectangle, yung upright, yung
ganito, yung babago yan,
Can
ba?
we use the food service sila, dito sa
Fiesta kasi.
Back to back
fiesta yun eh.
That's why we have
makasunod.
19. Yun ang problem.
Eh, kaya...
The turkey, they have a lot of, I know.
Sa social service, may freezer sila.
They're going to use it for fiesta. In fact, Father is going to rent
Kailan bang fiesta?
the week before.
17, 18, 19.
O di, 25, walang fiesta. O di, walang fiesta. Pwede natin gamitin yung ano.
Let's try Manila tayo.
Meron yatang freezer na ilalabas
3 days kami noon amin lahat.
na pwede gamitin. Tanong mo kay Father.
Hindi magamit. May email siya something about the freezer.
Yes.
Baka naman siguro ba?
No, but it was for the fiesta. There's gonna sell ice cream.
Yes.
Yung Katrina.
O pero 17 yun. Atin 25. So libre yung freezer nila.
Sure, but when we have to hook, we have to
Okay, kahit.
a week before. Okay.
Week before, baka masyado.
Mother is saying, Sister Madeline is saying that we could use her freezer as she did last year, but this is 500, so we still need a freezer because it's only 300.
Meron nga yung maliit na, ano, pwede yun.
Bilang box, tayo na
Yung, ano yan, 3 kilo, ano ba yun, yung ganito. Ganyan kalaki yun.
5 cubic feet.
Tetestin ko muna kung gumaganap. Not kidding. It's available. I can lend it to you. Kaya lang matagal ko na hindi nagamit eh. Baka hindi nagamit.
Sige, paandarin mo muna.
Paandarin ko muna. Baka hindi lamig.
Okay, so Anong additional? Ano yun? 500.
We have
BBQ.
Barbecue.
Ano bang menu natin last year?
ito. Lechon, barbecue, tsaka pansit.
Tinapon niyo pala ng sign ko last year.
No, I you want it. Pati nga rin
O, dinuguan. May nag-donate last year ng arroz caldo.
Ito.
Dinuguan.
Yeah. We have
Piuto, dapat may piuto.
Piuto.
Dahil kasama sa ano yun.
pancit, barbecue, egg roll, and rice. Combo is $5.
Yeah.
We have adobo, rice,
Kasi inflation na.
Donation ba yun?
Yeah, donation lahat.
Donation.
Except, yeah.
Sino?
And dinuguan rice ball. We have lechon.
Sino?
And then with our kakanin, we have cassava, lechon,
Ang dami.
hindi ka natin ang puto, wala agad eh. With the puto bumbong, Nenita already said she's going to donate.
Masarap ang puto.
Nenita, maraming Let's plan, I don't know who gave let's plan. Turon,
May bayan. $5 a plate.
Lord, how do we,
Hindi ba tayo magpa-price increase?
ang turon,
Ang ano?
how do we do?
Less than the food. The same price.
Why is it expensive?
Ano, less?
Huwag naman. Huwag naman less than the food.
Less the food? Why naman?
Huwag naman.
Kaya nga, kaya...
Oh, same price. Oh, donation naman eh. $5.
Increasing the price kasi pa.
O sige, 5.50 na nga.
I think
May pakabyo ka pa.
Ang caldo was $4.
$4, ayan.
Ayan pala.
Dinuguan and rice.
Ay, may chicken, dinuguan.
Para hindi na magbago. Ayan na, o. $5.
There you go.
Ito ang ano, ang tawag dito? Yung
Barbecue.
Goodbye yan. Yung
Yeah.
combo $5.
Combo. Yun ang maganda yung combo. Ayos na yan.
Ayos na yan.
Ayos na yan. Basta, ano, reasonable na.
Ayan, gawa na ito muna. Siguro mga... Ano, sino ang kasama kay Simona? Tatlong maliit na...
Already kasama kaya.
Sorry. I don't know kasi different people nag-donate ng ilang several trays ng kasaba. So,
We are going to start asking once sa bulletin. We need donation of cassava, all this specific. Yeah.
sininita si
Specific. Yeah, puto bumbong, but you know,
Yung drinks ba ng...
libre yun. They didn't charge us.
Okay, siya. Keep them.
I know. They started fighting from the riot. Don't fight them because everything is free.
I'm not fighting. I'm just asking.
Because she's like,
Pero gawin yung dalawang ano,
Pwedeng mag-request dalawang station.
dalawang station kasi para yung pila at mas mabilis.
Yung ticket
Yes.
natin, dapat medyo nakahiwalay ng konti yung ticket. Kasi
Madami. Kulang tayo sa ticket ng isang taon. Naubos na tayo ng ticket.
yung plastic ticket ang ginamit.
Kasi itaas
Tapos ginawa, kinuha ulit yung ticket na bigyan sa ginamit.
Binenta ulit. Hindi na alam kung magkano kinita.
Ah.
So they have to do it.
Anyway, yung rolyo naman na yun, hindi naman nag-expire yun. Pwede
Yeah.
naman either the next group, we can sell it to them or
So,
whatever.
inasin natin, dagdagan na lang.
I will buy here.
And then mag-50-50 ulit tayo.
I did not.
No, we didn't do
it's not worth
50-50.
it. It's not. We focus more on the ads because malaking pera doon. The ads itself. Actually, ang food is only an add-on to it, but ang may pera talaga is the souvenir program. So I will buy the ticket. Last year I didn't realize even it's already double. We used both.
Kulang yung roll.
We ran out. Wow.
Ilan binili mo last year?
Isa lang.
O, di dalawa. Oo.
Tatluhin mo na.
So ilan ang...
Tatlo yung sa number.
1,000 ba? 1,000 ata yung isang roll?
Eh, mabuti na yun.